Hi, this is Caitlin.
I'm Liz.
I'm Jen.
We are the Cotton Team 904 with Round Table Realty.
We want to tell you about this new amazing master plan community in St. Johns County. Oh, and by the way, there are no CDD fees. It's called Silverleaf.
Silverleaf is being developed by the most trusted and respected builders. Riverside Homes, Mastercraft, Dreamfinders, Ashley Homes, and DR Horton. All the builders have a wide range of prices to choose from.
Silverleaf sits on 8,500 acres, with 3,500 of it being preserved. That's a lot of preserve. Talk about letting nature be your neighbor.
The builders have a variety of floor plans to choose from. And once you've chosen your lot and floor plan, you spend several hours in the design studio picking out upgrades.
There are going to be 4 amenity centers. They're all incredible and have splash parks for kids. I even heard one is going to be pirate themed.
So fun!
You will definitely want to bring your realtor with you when deciding on the builder and the perfect home. They can help negotiate on your behalf and will be representing you, while the site agent represents the builder. Remember, they work for the builder and I work for you.
And not to mention, Silverleaf is smack dab in the middle of St. Johns County, the #1 public school district in the state of Florida. So ladies, tell me your favorite floor plan.
I love Riverside Homes Ortega floor plan. I have literally been there 8 times by myself because it's my favorite home. I love the grand foyer when you walk in and the high ceilings and the light fixtures.
I love Mastercraft's Grayson floor plan. I love the balcony on the 2nd floor and all the character they have in their homes. We would love to be part of you building your dream house in Silverleaf.
For more information, call us or email us. 904-669-3388. Or email me at caitlin@welcomehome904.com. Let's discuss what you want in your dream home.
People before property.